Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time got you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life. Happy graduation, Faye. Lagi mong tandaan, mag-aral ng mabuti para sa kinabukasan mo yan. Yan yung ating naipagmamalaki, kayamanan na hindi mananakaw sa atin o kaya mawawala kailanman. Laging tandaan, laging mag-pray, tapos laging pakinggan ang mga bilin sa atin ng ating mga magulang. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Good luck, good luck.